Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to share a tip on how to mark out previous month, previous week and previous day equilibriums. First and foremost, choose the right time frame for the area of interest. Let's start on the monthly time frame. Then we choose the fib retracement tool and also choose the magnet tool, and then place the magnet on the bottom of the candle and the top of the candle. Then you get this equilibrium if you use the fib on equilibrium, and I also like to use prices to get the most accurate level. And then I just put a line, and I have made pretty much a template on these levels. So previous month I choose that. I have some different colors and so on, and that's 62,346.8, 62,346.8, I think that was it. Yes. Then I go in here, I just remove the fib, and I go in here and make a group. I've already done this, so now you know how to do it. And to make the previous week, you just choose the week, and then again fib from this to this, and you get the level. So how do I really use these levels? First and foremost, these aren't blind trading zones. These are levels I use for reference. Can both be intraday reference, higher time frame reference, and also sometimes be intraday trading zones. For example, we had a few days back, we got this bullish reaction on the previous week equilibrium, and then broke down bearish rejection. We got some reclaim and some push up, and then again bearish rejection here 2 times. And then we quickly could identify this was a flip zone, and therefore a very interesting zone to look for a trade. And previous month is super interesting based on the fact that we have these lows of interest. So this is confluence. So I'm super interested in looking for a long here. Potentially sweep the lows and also go a little bit down from the previous month and reclaim the previous month for a bounce. The previous day today is not interesting, and I'm going to share why. Previous day equilibrium is most often for me interesting if we have had a pretty big candle on the previous day. For example, here, extremely interesting on the previous day equilibrium, but this candle is so small, it's just the market doesn't really achieve anything from taking out the previous day equilibrium, so it's not really a big reference. If you have a major candle to the downside, for example, then a previous day equilibrium could be a target to the upside and could be a key flip zone, and the same thing all the way around. So feel free to use this with other conferences as well. Is to, for example, find a naked POC in the same area as a previous month, or a range profile, value a high, value a low, could be a day level, fib, whatever. Just some examples. So feel free to find some other conferences and use this together and try it out and let me know what you think. For intraday, make sure to use it as a take profit and a zone of interest for a flip. Other than that, we do Bitcoin update at the end tomorrow. Another Bitcoin update. We're gonna trade Bitcoin next week. I'm gonna cover a few setups, zones, everything, and share setups in the group. Link in the description for that. I'm working on a video on range. I'm posting in the group later tonight. That's gonna be extremely good. If you want access, everything is linked in the description. Thanks for watching the video. New video tomorrow on Bitcoin. See you there. Bye.